Okay, recording again, and we're a little further down the trail, and I've discovered Peely loves to bring big branches, but I can't let her have it, once we get up back on the trail here, because, we come across other people, and, I can't have, there we go, very good, very good. So, if she doesn't release it, I try to just, get her as close to me as possible, and then just pull out the cookie bag. That always works. She'll drop anything for a cookie. Ah, and Mikey's there. And where is Petey's a little further, just a little further down. Hey, Peely. Hi, Peely. Hey! Come on, Petey. Yeah. Okay. What? And Kenny, come on. We got to get Kenny too. What? What? There's Kenny. Okay. Oh. Go on, Petey. You can go. You want to go for a dip? Go on. It's okay. It's okay. She got that stick again. Go on, Kitty. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You can go. Hey, Petey. Hey, Petey. Ready to go? Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. Mikey. Okay, here we go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Petey and Kenny love to play with each other. Trying to keep this camera steady, but it's not easy. Oh, another big long stick. This time Mikey's working on it. Whew. Okay, I'm going to stop this because I got to watch close when they're playing. Let's see. Yeah, we're still doing all right. Yeah, very good. Okay. Yeah, Peely is not afraid to assert herself in play. So I can see, okay, now we have to stop because we got another, whenever I have another pack we come up with, I stop.